go for it. Aspire for it. You know, this profession and all, khana pina, ye zaruri hai. Career is zaruri. Zaruri hai. But ultimate purpose ye nahi hai. हमने देखा है लोग ने झंडे गाड़े हुए हैं, हम झंडे गाड़ के दिखाएंगे. I heard a motivational speaker, झंडे गाड़ दिखाओ. झंडे गाड़े बाद करते क्या है लोग? उसी झंडे के नीचे बैठ के दारू पी रहे होते हैं. क्या है ये? पहले देसी दारू पीते थे, आज विदेशी दारू पीते हैं. So basically success की definition क्या है? Making a transition from desi daru to Videshi daru is success. Wow. Please don't follow this.
Indian car to foreign car.
Yeah. So please have this divine, ecstatic, selfless, intense, maddening love for Supreme Lord Shri Krishna. And that's the purpose of this human form of life which we have got, especially being in India. So I would request, please, all Indians take to spirituality very, very seriously, because we are the torch bearers of spirituality, Bhakti. If we will not do, who will do? So convinced people, convince people, convinced people, convince people. So my dear Indian brothers and sisters, please get convinced about spirituality, path of Bhakti, and then you can convince the rest of the world. So politically we are leaders, spiritually also we should be leaders.